Welcome to Foxify. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the grid, one of the most flexible tools in Foxify for creating clean, balanced, and responsive layout. So, when should you use a grid? The grid is perfect for layouts that require precise alignment or multiple elements side by side, like feature sections, galleries, or content cards. It helps keep your design structured and consistent across all screen sizes. There are two main ways to add a grid in Foxify. The first way is to use a design section. For example, we can add the icon with text section, or a multi-column section. Using a design section makes it quick to set up the grid layout, and we only need to make layout adjustments if necessary. In a grid, each cell serves as an individual container where you can add any elements such as images, text, or buttons. A single grid block can include up to 12 cells. This gives you the freedom to create anything from simple two-column layouts to complex, magazine-style designs. To customize your layout, adjust the column span and row span of each cell. This controls how much space each cell takes up, perfect for creating dynamic and creative layouts, like the one we're building in this video. You can also fine-tune the cell's dimensions by adjusting its width and height, either in percentages or fixed units. By default, each cell fills 100% of its assigned space, but you can easily customize it to fit your design. In the grid settings, you can easily set the number of columns for each viewport, for example, 3 columns to display 3 product items side by side. This lets you control how many elements appear in each row. To make this block scrollable on mobile, simply enable this setting. It allows your grid block to be swiped horizontally, keeping the same layout while making it easier to browse on smaller screens. Finally, just like the column settings for each device, you can also adjust the spacing. For each column, it's easy to manage which elements you want to include. Simply drag the desired element into each cell. After that, use the alignment settings to arrange the elements within the cells for the most attractive layout. And that's it. You've learned when to use the grid, the 2 ways to add it, and how to customize your layout for all devices. We hope this tutorial helps you design with more flexibility in Foxify. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.